What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing some stretches together. I'm gonna show you a few stretches that are really gonna help you fix your posture. All of us have been working from home and that requires sitting a lot sometimes, and so I'm like this all the time. And I catch myself doing it and I try to correct my frame, but the damage is done since you're sitting there for a long period of time. So these stretches are gonna help you correct your posture and just stretch out a little bit and feel better. For this first stretch, we're gonna be doing the cobra pose. And what you wanna do is you wanna lay on. So what you wanna do is you wanna get in this position, kind of like a yoga stretch. But you want to bring your legs up and try to push your head back. And I'm working on my flexibility, so some of us are going to be able to touch our heads to our feet, and some of us are going to be able to do this. And that's totally normal. Take things at your own pace, but this stretch is really good for your lower back. Now I'm gonna be holding each stretch for 30 seconds. If you're very unflexible, you can do 15 seconds. If you're more advanced, 45 seconds. So I've got my phone here, we're gonna get a stopwatch going, and we're gonna do these stretches for 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds of the cobra stretch. Breathe through it, you guys. The breathing technique is the most important technique. I learned that while trying to learn how to do the splits. If you don't breathe, you tend to stay more tense. So from here, what I like to do, since I can kind of feel my back just has like a little bit of tension, it feels almost sore. So what I like to do is I like to come up, make a triangle with your legs, touch your toes, and then sit back. And then lay your arms forward and put your head down. And this tends to stretch out what we just did, because that cobra pose is making a bridge in your back and it's tightening your back. So now we're trying to stretch out that tenseness, the tightness, and just really let it out. So 30 seconds, we're gonna do 3 sets of 30. This is honestly one of my favorite stretches of all time. Like, it feels so nice to like just let it out. The deeper you breathe, the better your back is gonna feel and the more stretch you're gonna get because you're expanding your rib cage and your spine. Yes, I'm get the word to better. For this next stretch we're going to be doing, they kind of look like angry cats, honestly, but you're going to be breathing and bringing your body up like this. Just like that, and you want to breathe in when you lower your belly and breathe out when you're bringing up your back, because when you breathe out, when you're bringing up your back, you're getting that stretch. And it feels so good. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 30 seconds. Good job. 30 seconds. Breathe deep. All right, that was a good one. Damn, I got all my air out. You know, I used to think it was so weird to breathe on YouTube. I was like, oh, I see all these yoga videos. I can't breathe on YouTube. That's so weird. I don't know why I used to think like that, but now I'm doing one. Like, growth, okay? All right, so for this next stretch, it's gonna be a little bit more intense. So you're gonna come off the ground with one leg, and you're gonna take your opposite arm to foot, just like this. And then what you wanna do with this side is you wanna look up. And then you're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. You're gonna feel it in your glutes, you're gonna feel it in your lower back, you're gonna feel it right here since we're twisting, and it's gonna feel really good. It feels really good right now. And we're gonna be holding it for 30 seconds. We're gonna do that 3 times on both sides. So get your stopwatch and let's do it. Do it for 30 seconds, okay? All right, last set on this side, last 30 seconds. Last stretch, I should say. It's not really a set. This honestly feels really good. And since I've been stretching for the splits, I can really feel it right here. Also, like, stretching for the splits makes me sore. I get so sore. It's really hard to like stretch the same way every day because like I just get so sore. That feels so good. Okay. We have 3 sets on this side, so opposite arm to the foot. And we're gonna be holding for 30 seconds. If you're a newbie, 15. Man, this feels so good. All right, give yourself a 10-second break. I'm just gonna sit back on this leg really quick. It is so sore. All right, set 2, stretch 2, whatever you want to call it. Let's do it. Good job, you guys. Lay flat, arms out, arms down. Take one leg and just bring it over. Just like this. And just lay here. So. Good job. Go ahead and switch sides. 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 15. Ooh, my back just cracked. And then breathe. Good job. Next 30 seconds. And you'll notice with this stretch, like when you're breathing into your stomach instead of your chest. Because sometimes when you breathe, your chest will get really full of air. But with this stretch, since your chest is busy, your stomach fills up with air. So it's a different type of breathing. It's a deeper breathing, and it feels so nice just to feel your stomach expand and like because we usually don't breathe through our, like with our stomach. We usually breathe with our chest. When we take a deep breath, the chest puffs up. So it's really nice to switch it up. All right, next side. Last stretch. All right, good job. Last one. All right, good job. Give yourself 10 seconds on the floor to just roll around like this. This feels good. I hope this really helps you guys with your back pain and posture and just relieving some stress that can be there from sitting all day long. Sitting is not ideal for our bodies, so I really hope that this helps. If it does help, if you feel a little bit better after these stretches, give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this with someone else who's working at home, who's sitting all day, or someone who just needs a little bit of relaxing, peace, and stretching. Click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.